So our snake hunting is a different experience. So the hunting is still going on. Yes.
The hunt is on.
This time we are experiencing this basically so close to the snake. I just can't explain the feeling actually. It is superb. कोई नहीं आएगा तो उसको पता भी नहीं चलेगा. हाँ मनीष? True. आपको एक्सपीरियंस करना चाहिए. कोई भी एक वीकेंड सिटी हसल बसल छोड़ के आप आ जाओ यहाँ पे और इसको एक्सपीरियंस करो. So can you hear the sound? Sound of the stream basically. So हम लोग बहुत दूर आ चुके हैं. Crossing the rainforest, and the most interesting part is that the area, the path जहाँ से हम लोग जा रहे हैं, it's full of snakes. So we don't know कहाँ पे क्या है नहीं है. So yes, keep moving and we are going. Stay with us and don't forget to subscribe, share and like us. So this is the main reason why polo avoid at this place, because of the snake only.
From there, that border, it's a different Someshwara Wildlife Sanctuary.
Oh, so that's the Someshwara Wildlife
This is the
Sanctuary.
limit, and from there it is a Someshwara, and it is handled by the Reserve Forest, and it's entry is restricted over there.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm right now with Akshay. So Akshay is doing his internship from KCRE, and he's showing this. This is called
Malabar pit viper.
Malabar pit viper.
Pit viper. It's called as the pit viper because so you can see two heat-sensitive pits beneath the eyes and above the nostrils. So those pits help them. That works like an infrared camera actually. So those pits, what it does is it sends heat from a prey. So it senses heat and then it strikes, and then that's how they hunt. So these guys are ambush predators. So what happens is like all other snakes, this snake is not moving that rapidly. So it is pretty chill, just staying there because these guys are ambush predators. So they sit and wait for a long time at one particular place, camouflaging itself, and then when the prey is like abundant and in the monsoon time, they just when the prey just comes in right in front of them, they just hunt, strike and hunt. That's how they hunt. So they have a hemotoxic venom. So it cannot kill a human, but it can be. I mean, it can be painful, and swelling will be there for like at least 2 weeks or one week or 2 weeks.
Okay.
So. And then this is a viper. It belongs to a family of viper in snakes. So vipers do have very, comparatively long teeth than like compared to cobras and compared to other snakes. Vipers will have like tooth which is very, quite big, and then that's how they hunt their prey. And these guys are very active during the monsoon. So in the June, July, August time, these guys will be very active because the frog will be also very, the frog activity around this Western Ghats also will be high. So they bulk up in the monsoon and they go high up and then they settle.
Okay.
So that's what happens while tracking. So we observe every data that we get.
So अभी हम लोग जो वाइपर देखा था तो यहीं पे कहीं पे है the other one, the female one basically, and it's complete rainforest के अंदर अभी हम लोग हैं. So Manish is with me, is just right behind me.
So we are inside the dense jungle and we are going to a lake which is as clean as we can see its surface of itself.
So it's complete. This is the true essence of rainforest, right, Manish?
Yeah, yes. This actually is. This is so dense. No sunlight can pass over there. Very dark.
So follow us. Prashant sir, who is also another in charge of KCRE, so he suddenly came and said that Shaptashi, you want to go for a python rescue? So we all said yes.
We are there.
So now we are going for a python rescue operation. Stay tuned. Let's see.
Let's see what happens.
So we came here for a python rescue. The entire KCRE team is there. So we are now slowly going to rescue that python. So we got the KCRE team, we got the call. So how they do, basically they do all the awareness program to the nearby villages so that they should not kill the snake. It's a superb experience, like rescuing, and that too a python.
And Shreyas does the outreach, and Prashant sir is the leading expert.
Yeah, so it's headed by Prashant sir and Shreyas, as Nikhil said. अभी हम लोग सारे पाइथन को ढूंढने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, बट इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू फाइंड आउट बिकॉज एक तो पानी था एंड पाइथन्स आर वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग वाइल दे आर इन द वाटर, सो they itself is very powerful. So now we came for the next rescue of a king cobra. सो तो पाइथन एज आई वाज टेलिंग कि हम लोग उसको पकड़ नहीं पाए, मतलब वो अंदर बहुत ही अंदर चला गया था. सो दैट्स हीज हाउस बेसिकली. तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट था, बट इट इज़ अ सुपर्ब एक्सपीरियंस. यू कांट इवन इमेजिन लाइक catching a snake inside the forest. It's a superb experience. So now we came here to catch a king cobra. So it is inside that house. तो प्रशांत सर ने अभी ट्रैक किया है वो कहाँ पे है. Now let's dive into the operation to rescue the king cobra. Check it out. So Prashant sir has rescued this cobra. So how old he is, Prashant sir?
Maybe 3-4 years, maybe.
Okay. How's the experience?
Oh my god, it's unbelievable and it's like very scary. No, I haven't seen it, and this is the first time I've seen rescuing a cobra, and it is like that is so active, and rescuing it without harming it and taking care of everybody surrounding is like awesome, and we should actually kudos people who actually take care of the animals like this.
Hi guys. So हम लोग बहुत टायर्ड थे एक्चुअली, बिकॉज वो जो रेस्क्यू में गए थे टू फॉर दिस पाइथन एंड द कोबरा. सो इट वाज वेरी हेक्टिक. तो बहुत टायर्ड थे. सो वी आर जस्ट टेकिंग रेस्ट. तो अभी डिनर के लिए जा रहे हैं. सो डिनर अभी शूट कर नहीं पाएंगे कि फटाफट डिनर ख़त्म करेंगे, एंड देन हम लोग जाएंगे आज नाइट वॉक के लिए. दैट आई विल कैप्चर एंड शेयर इट विथ यू गाइज. So we are all going for this night trekking. It's pitch dark inside the jungle. So one of a kind experience.
Usually we'll be finding a lot of snakes, vine snake, rat snake,
Okay.
and Malabar cuttlefish, of course. And when it comes to flies, so moths,
Okay.
and some spiders and frogs, of course.
Okay. So our snake hunting is so different experience. So the hunting is still going on.
Yes.
The hunt is on.
So this guy, we are looking for the snake. Till now we have pointed this one, the owl moth, right?
Yes.
Owl moth. We have.
And in general,
Okay. A snail.
Yeah, it's like a slug. This one does it exact the other way around. At night time it's hunting for ants and stuff like that on the ground, and at daytime it goes into the bushes.
So good morning guys. Today is our last day, basically the third day. तो हम लोग यहाँ पे आए थे फ्राइडे, सैटरडे स्टे किया, आज है संडे. तो आज हम लोग यहाँ से चेकआउट करेंगे. तो येस्टरडे नाइट वाज सुपर्ब. हम लोग नाइट ट्रेक किए थे, नाइट वॉकिंग बेसिकली. आपको अगर बुक करना है आप
ऑनलाइन में भी बुक कर सकते हो और डायरेक्ट फ़ोन करके, सो व्हाट्सएप नंबर है वहाँ पे व्हाट्सएप करके भी बुक कर सकते हो. सो देयर 2 ऑप्शंस आर देयर, कॉटेजेस आर देयर एंड ऑल्सो द टेंट्स आर देयर. आप कुछ भी बुक कर सकते हो. एंड बुकिंग के टाइम आपका फूड मतलब लंच, डिनर एंड स्टे ऑल एक साथ पे कर देना है आपको. एंड यहाँ पे जो एक्टिविटीज़ होता है वो एक्टिविटीज़ का अलग से चार्ज होता है, दैट यू हैव टू पे सेपरेटली वंस यू कम हियर. हम लोग का जो प्लान है अभी तो वी विल ट्राई टू लीव दिस प्लेस एज अर्ली एज पॉसिबल, लाइक 10:30 तक हम लोग निकल जाएंगे यहाँ से, so that we reach Bangalore by evening.
Yeah, today the final day we have reached after 2 days, and today is the 3rd day. Yeah, really we enjoyed the total adventurous trip. Seen a lot of species over here and witnessed the live python catching, and it was really good. And you can tell thanks to Kalinga Mane for this research center and a lot of information that shared to us which we are not knowing at all. And I should tell special thanks to Saptarishi who has planned this trip, and it went very well. Many more to go. Thank you.
Yeah, we were here in Kalinga Mane, and it was a wonderful experience. If you are a person who loves the nature and calmness and needs some peaceful space for yourself, just try out here. It's the best place to have your, maybe like I would say, to identify yourself. Okay, it's a very nice place. It's not a kind of a place where it's resorts and you party, play loud music and all. It's a place where you can explore the nature along with the species that is around and enjoy yourself. I just loved it. I love nature, so being here was like very peaceful. 3-day stay was very refreshing. Try out Kalinga Mane.
Hi, yeah. So this is Preeti, and yeah, this experience has been wonderful. We are here at Kalinga Mane. We reached here on Friday, and it's a surreal experience to actually see the animals in their natural habitat, and even more because we got to see vipers and snakes, and it's fascinating. So if you really want to know about wildlife and if you like this kind of natural things, please do come here.
And it was a great trip, lots of adventure, lots of activities. Do visit, and if you like it, please subscribe.
Okay, thanks guys. It was a wonderful experience with all of us like Manish, Preeti, Kavita and our great Anto sir. So we enjoyed a lot. This is a must visit place. Basically it's a rainforest, and in India we hardly find any rainforest. And also learn the reptiles. So if you want to know the reptiles, we have a lot of myths about the snakes, and also those myths needs to be, that lot of awareness is required. And also I have a special request to all the viewers: drive safely, drive carefully while you are actually inside the jungle territory. So we have seen a lot of like run over for the snakes and all. So it is snakes, that's why you cannot just run over, and so it's also a like living creature. So that's it. Here we are ending this special video. Subscribe, like and comments, and check out the next video from poloNrish. Thank you. Hey Polo, this is the first 2 I've done without you. So next time, no mercy, be it snake, crocodile or tiger.